Hi there, students. Don't try to walk before you can crawl. You need to learn to run before you can walk. There are various different ways of putting this together. You need to know how to you need to know how to walk before you can run. Run before you can walk. Learn to run before you can walk. You're trying to run before you can walk. Yeah? Walk before you can run. There are lots and lots of ways of saying this. This is an idiom or a proverb saying that you need to learn the basics in something before you can do more sophisticated things. It's telling you not to get ahead of yourself. Yeah, you need to be able to master the simple and basic things, and you need to know those very well before you try to do more difficult and more advanced things. So if you're learning a language, you certainly need to learn a bit of basic grammar, how the language works, how it's put together, because otherwise you're trying to run before you can walk. Yeah, you're trying to walk before you can crawl. Yeah, if I think very often businesses, when people start up a new business, they try to run before they can walk. Yeah, and if you do that, you make things too complicated. You need to get experience. You need to uh, know what you're doing and know that it's something very well. You can't forget the basics. Yeah, you've got to get the basics right, because if you don't get the basics right, then that's running before you can walk. That's a case of running before you can walk. Okay, so you have to learn before you can walk. Yeah. If you want to code your own website, well, firstly, you need to know something about programming. So you need to go through the basic steps of something before going on to the next stage. Yeah, you need to understand and be skilled with the basic techniques or details of something. Yeah, otherwise you're going to get into problems. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, to learn to crawl before you can walk, learn to walk before you can run. Yeah, it's talking about the natural progression of things. But I think maybe one of the problems is people want to make rapid progress, and they want to start at a level which is too complicated. Yeah. Use simple constructions in English, and when you've mastered the simple ones, then go on to more difficult ones. Yeah, to progress with things in a logical way. It's like with mathematics. You need to be able to add and subtract. Yeah, and then when you can do that well, you learn to divide and multiply. And then you could go to something more complicated, maybe to simple equations. And then from that, yeah, because you need to do things step by step. You have one thing well learned and under your belt. So, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. Use it anywhere, but normally we're using it with walk and run, or walk and crawl. So you need to learn to crawl before you can walk, and you need to learn to walk before you can run. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Learn to crawl before you can walk. Yeah, this is a good thing. Don't try to run before you can walk. Bye for now.